Passion is for losers. Passion is for hobbies. The real winners have obsession. Obsession not for things or people, obsession to solve the problem.
How is passion for losers?
Well,
don't you need passion to love what you're doing?
Yeah. The point is, passion is weak thing because every time you run into an obstacle, you back off and you find a new passion. Until you have such a true obsession to solve that problem that you go to bed thinking about it and you wake up in the morning thinking about it.
So what you're saying is that passion is for wimps, right? Passion is something we do, but it's often a hobby.
Yes.
Obsession is then what?
Relentless pursuit of purpose.
Because we want to create something that can make a dent in the universe.
And more than that, we know to make a dent in the universe, you have to improve people's lives.
So be obsessed.
Be obsessed about solution to a problem that you care about. If you can find any problem that helps 1 billion people live a better life, you can create $100 billion company. You don't wake up in the morning and say, what should I do to create a $100 billion company? Because making money is a byproduct of actually doing things that improve other people's lives.